Hey guys, what's up? This is Dave from Common RDW here, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the swag that I got from Anime Central 2019. So I know this video is a little overdue, by like a month, but it's okay. I have some really cool stuff to show you guys. I've been waiting to show you guys all the swag that I got from Acen for a while now, so I'm gonna quickly just show you guys what I got. I've been saving for a little bit, so I had a good amount of money to blow on cool stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys all that stuff I got. What should I start with? Let me show you this. Okay, so those of you who know me, I always carry backpacks around with me. And there's like a convention bag that I actually have had for a while. My Equilibrium Urban Survival Gear backpack. If you go to any convention, you've probably seen a bag similar to this one around, because these are very popular convention bags. If you go to like any major convention, you've probably seen their booth. They're like the big yellow flag waving across like in the dealer hall. Anyway, I have this backpack, right? And you can add skins to it. And I have a couple of different ones, but I got this one at Acen. This is actually a very special skin bag. See, the artist signed it right there. Equilibrium and Poillustrated. Poillustrated? Sorry if I'm butchering that name, guy. But this is a crossover skin bag that they actually did. They had these at C2E2 this year, but I actually didn't buy it there because I didn't have the money for it, but I got it at Acen because he was there. And it was a little cheaper at Acen too, since I didn't buy it like the first time it was available, but they only had like 3 left. So I had to snatch up one of these. See, he signed it and he dated it. And this is like a very nice design. Very beautiful, very nice colors. And it also has the back right here. With all these skins, they actually have different parts to put like expansions for the bag. So there's not only parts like on the bag right here where I can add on stuff, but there's also stuff on this. So these bags are very dynamic. And also it's a skin bag. So what that means is this thing right here not only goes onto the backpack as a design, but it also doubles as its own bag itself. So I can actually fit things in here. I can store stuff in here. I can put stuff in here. And also, it like starts out flat, but then it can unzip and just become a whole bag. So I have like the handles, I can carry it around as like a regular like shopping bag type of design. Or there's also some strings that came with this, and then it can pretty much hook on and it can just become like a side, like messenger bag type of thing. So this is really cool, very multi-purpose, very amazing design. Like these might not even exist in a couple months, or like maybe they don't exist now. I probably got the last one. Ooh, so very exclusive. I mainly got it because 1, I like the design, and 2, I really wanted a skin bag. But now it's like the design's so exclusive, I won't even want to use this. So I'm probably gonna end up getting another skin bag at a different convention. But if you ever go to a convention and you see Equilibrium, for sure pick up a skin bag or just buy a backpack. This thing is very durable. I've gone on about this before. I actually interviewed the guy about this before. Check the link, check the card. I interviewed them before about this. So that's one thing I got. I got that skin bag. Another thing I got, oh, you gotta check this out. So I'm a big Nintendo Switch boy, and one of the big things about the Switch is that it got Taiko Drum Master, Taiko no Tatsujin Drum and Fun on the Nintendo Switch. And I can play it with a controller, I can play it with Joy-Con and everything like that, but it's not the same as playing it in an arcade, actually swinging the drums, getting some physical feedback. That's why I got this thing, a Taiko drum kit, actual physical drum from one of the import gaming booths at Acen. So this is really cool. It plugs into the dock via USB. That way it controls on the TV. Or, what's really cool, interesting how I would ever do this though, you can also plug in on a USB-C adapter, and then it can go right into the Switch for tabletop mode. So you can actually use this handheld, tabletop or docked. So it's actually really cool. Let me take this out of the box so you guys can see this. You got the 2 Taiko drumsticks right here. Very nice feel on the hand on these. And then you have the drum right here along with a little controller that actually works as a controller. but it's also mainly to like help navigate the menus or whatever if you don't want to use the drums. But very nice feedback on here. Very durable. It also comes with the different parts for the stand if you want to set up, well, to set up for the stand. So really cool piece of hardware here if you want to play Taiko Drum Master physical. I think it was like 50 bucks at that import game stand, which is I think $30 less than an official Taiko drum thing from the company. So it works just as well. So if you guys ever want to have a physical drum, this is one to look out for right here. All right, so that's two things I got from Anime Central. What the heck else did I get? Oh, another cool thing. So this is actually really dope. Let me show you guys this. So 4 more things I actually got at Anime Central were these shirts from the Sentai Filmworks booth. Check out this one. Got a Poco action from Pop Team Epic. I also got this one, a Mon Musu shirt. Got a little Mon Musu representation right here. And then I got this awesome Umaru-chan shirt, and I never see Umaru shirts anywhere. Really awesome like pixel Umaru sprite design on there. Guess how much each of these shirts cost individually? Oh wait, did you say $5? Because I wouldn't have said $5, I would have said like $20. Each of these shirts were $5. I don't know what the heck was going on at Sentai Filmworks that weekend, but they had like a Black Friday blowout sale. Each of these shirts, plus I also got a Made in Abyss design shirt too. Each of these shirts only cost me $5. $5, any size. They had a whole bunch of really nice designs from all the type of shows that they do, but $5 per shirt, dude, I bought like 4 shirts. I was like, I'm not wasting this money. I'm not losing money on this. Like I bought 4 shirts for the price of one at like Hot Topic. One shirt at Hot Topic is like $25. These were going for $5. Any other time, these are probably like $15, $20 shirts anyway. So I bought a whole bunch of them. You bet your ass I was getting multiple of these shirts. What the heck? I also got these adorable Made in Abyss pins. They were selling them like $10 for the set. So it seemed like it was like a really big Made in Abyss weekend at Acen, because not only were the lanyards designed with Made in Abyss stuff on them, but also the movie was premiering at Anime Central that year. Wandering Twilight, the second Made in Abyss movie. So you know I had to get some really cute Made in Abyss pins. I got the Nanachi right there. And I also got Reg, Reina right there. So really cute pins. All 3 of these only cost me like $10. So really cute pin set right there. Also, speaking of pins, I also bought this really dope pin right here. And then also about the Japanime Games booth, I bought a Tanto Kore enamel pen. I also had to support my girl over at Hard Decora. My girl Camilla over at Hard Decora. Bought one of her pins. Really cute design. Okay, I had to get these because at Acen, Side Games was actually going on tour with the Fate Grand Order game, because that's like a really big mobile game that I'm not into, but I respect people that are. That was on tour, and because Fate was there, Side Games was there. So they had to have the Side Games pop-up shop, and there was so much swag there, guys. Like I'm gonna probably pop up some footage for you guys right here. There was like a lot of Grand Blue Fantasy merch, like a crap ton of Grand Blue Fantasy merch, dude. Like I need to watch Grand Blue Fantasy so I understand the hype, because not only is that new game coming out from Arc System Works, but the mobile game is insanely huge, or the gacha game is insanely huge. So I was actually jealous that I couldn't actually appreciate that merch that much because I didn't know about it. Also, there was some Shadowverse stuff, and I never played Shadowverse before, but apparently it's like a card battle game. I got into it. Now I play Shadowverse. It's basically like anime Hearthstone. Really cool. You guys should check it out. But I went to the Side Games pop-up booth because I wanted Dragalia Lost merch. And let me tell you, I found my Dragalia Lost merch. I got some really cool Wim prints. They had really cool Wim print design keychains at the booth. Like, this does not do the justice for how good they look. but I had like 5 of them. I'm actually gonna toss up the footage of when me and my friend were unboxing them, because that actually does better justice for how good they look. They were blind boxes, and they were $5 each. So I was like, dude, there's not gonna be any chance I'm gonna see these things again. So I gotta buy like 5. And each one was like a 4-star rim print design. So they also have like a really cool layered look to them. So very nice. They're keychains, but I have them on my board. So really awesome. But yeah, in addition to all that stuff that I just showed you, I also got a couple freebies from the Wandering Twilight premiere. They had some more lanyards from Made in Abyss with the whistles from the show. So if you watch Made in Abyss, you know that the Cave Raiders each have like red whistles. They also have blue whistles. They had those 2, so I got like a red whistle and a blue whistle. Also got a really cool poster, and I got like a clear folder to have too, with like a really cool design of Reg and Rain on them. So really nice stuff. But yeah, that's all the swag I got from Anime Central 2019. What did you guys get? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys got. What did you waste your money on? I need to find more places to put stuff because I'm running out of room in my room. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like down below. If you want to see more stuff from my adventures at conventions coming up, I got Doki Dokkan 2019 coming up in July. I also have Anime Magic coming up in August. So I have a couple more conventions going on during the summer. So let me know if you guys want any specific coverage from those. And also keep it fresh, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.